Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to get files from users using the Get User Data action in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. In the Flow Builder, create a message block. Then click Add Content and select Get User Data. And then click Edit. Make sure the reply type is File and select a custom field in which the file will be saved. Once done, click Save. Excellent. The file the user sent will be saved in the custom field you select on the Get User Data action. There you have it. You just learned how to get files from users using the Get User Data action. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.